Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and I'm coming to you today in the House of Tools workshop. We're going to be doing a lot more videos here at the workshop, and we're going to be building this out and doing more projects in the future. But today I have something really special for you. This is a Wiha 85th year anniversary set. It's a screwdriver set, it's some mixed screwdrivers here, but it's in a unique gray and black color. So what do we get in this set? Let's pull it out and take a look. So we have our straight blade, we have our square, Torx, bottle opener, and it looks like a couple of Phillips. So we have two Phillips here, and they are the 1 and 2 it looks like. Actually, yep. We have a bottle opener, which is very important in the workshop. You can't live without your bottle opener, right? To open up your soda bottle, correct? We have a Torx here. This is a 25. This is a 20, and this is a 15. You get two spade bits, straight bits, and then you have a number 2 square one, which if you do any electrical work, that's really handy. And on the handle, you see here it has 85 years. So this is our 85th anniversary edition. I believe this is a limited edition, so if you do want to get this set, you're going to want to order quick because it's everything you love about these tools, but in a new color. So that way you can be one up on all your friends. So come on by House of Tools, click on the link below if you want this limited edition set, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we could do more of these videos in the future. Thanks.